It's very easy talking about business and talking about profits, cash. Well, we talk about achieving results. So it's easy to actually the competencies model. If it is something which is only theory, then it doesn't work. Then if business is on one side and competencies is on the other side, then it's kind of a theoretical exercise for probably some university teachers, but not really for the business. It's an amalgam of both. Stepping back from that, when we talk about strategy, it is normal when we are developing the strategy of Heineken Russia to be in coordination with our corporate strategy. But this doesn't mean that we are getting a corporate, let's say, mold, saying this is the strategy for Russia, this is the strategy for the United States, this is the strategy for China, this is the strategy for whatever. This is something which is developed here by the team here, but of course, as in every corporate organization, before we say a final go, we would go first and say to our shareholders and to our corporate structure, gentlemen, ladies, this is what we have developed, and these are the reasons why we have developed that. And, give us your blessing and your approval that this, we make sure, is a part of the corporate strategy.